In this video, I'll be showing you how you can reduce your transaction fees on Gemini by as much as 75%. And if you decide you want to open a Gemini account in the event that you do not have one, I will also leave a link in the description box below. So let's get right into it. Right here, I'm on Gemini, and in order to secure my APE tokens, I'm going to use my ActiveTrader option. Now, if I don't use this ActiveTrader option, what happens is I get charged a flat $3 to buy or to sell at a very minimum. So of course, the $3 is the minimum. And if I secure more than a set number of tokens, then the fees charged increase accordingly. But the very minimum is $3. But if I use the ActiveTrader option, then I get to reduce my fees to easily a couple of cents. Now, $3 in and of itself is not a great amount, but it quickly adds up if in one day you do more than a couple of transactions. Then the amount you're paying in fees can quickly get out of hand. So let's see now how this works out. To use the basic option, click on this market option. And there's the coin right there. Let's click on APECOIN and enter how much I want to purchase. So that'll be $200. Press continue. It's attempting to charge me $2.99 just for this purchase, whereby with the ActiveTrader option, buying $200 worth, I would only be charged 70 cents. And the way to get this set up is to go back into your accounts. And as soon as you go into accounts, scroll down, there you'll see the two options you have under trading interface. So what you want to do is you want to switch to ActiveTrader. Now I'm already in ActiveTrader mode, so it's already selected. ActiveTrader brings you over to the ActiveTrader screen. So we're going to go here. I'm going to enter the name of the coin I'm interested in acquiring. And here you can see I have just a little under $200. So I'm going to use all of it to secure my APE coins. So I'm going to make sure I'm in buy, which I am right now. We're going to stay with the limit option. And the price is under $10. So I've been waiting for the price to drop below $10 so I can secure my coins. So I'm going to select that price that I want. That's the price I want. There. And I'm going to look that over and I'm going to buy my APE coins. It says, sorry, you do not have sufficient funds available in your account to complete this order. I mean, that happens because the order book price is constantly changing. So all I need to do is, instead of trying to secure 20.063 of an APE, I'll reduce that. Let's just reduce that to 20.06. Okay. Okay, because I'm buying, I'm clicking on that price and click on buy. And it tells me that my limit buy hold order has been placed. And as you can see in the order book, I'm now the proud owner of almost 20 APE coins. If you do want to save on your transaction costs, then go ahead and open a Gemini account if you don't have one already. And if you do have one already, don't forget to switch your settings to ActiveTrader. Making videos can be super thirsty work. So you can help support my channel by buying me a cup of coffee. Find the link in the description box below.